Sorry. Bro, I saw two. Oh my god!
Is he one? Go get it, bro.
Let's do a competition. Whoever can catch this football without
No
teleporting,
teleporting shit.
you know, wins.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you can't have that. You can't have that.
No killing
What are
allowed.
you doing?
Okay.
The fuck I want.
Stop. Bad.
You just call me bad?
Yeah, bad.
Hey, you call you a bad boy.
You don't have any more bullets.
Shut up, kid.
Catch the ball!
Which has one, which I just shot him.
I tell you it's gonna scream. I tell you it's gonna scream. Okay. wait,
Shoot me in my head first.
What is going on?
Shoot me in my head.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, revive me.
Now revive him. Keep the gun.
Revive me. Yeah, revive me right here.
Do not respawn him yet.
Okay.
Watch it. He's trying to rocket launcher.
You guys ready? What the fuck? What the fuck happened?
Spawn, boy.
Well, I got you, XX. Hold on.
Right here.
Okay, wait. Can we start something though? Oh!
Stand right here. Stand right. Turn it off. Felipe, turn it off. Turn it off. When you take a picture, she spawned.
Ah!
Felipe, stand right here. Bro, stop. Stop. Whoever can survive the longest wins.
No. Hi.
Let's go through the room. Come on.
What?
You guys saw the face? Right here.
Yes.
Open it with the key.
Where my things at?
Where, Felipe?
Felipe,
Wait, why are we coming down here? We don't have a pickaxe.
that's what I assumed. That's why we're going.
Come back. Go through.
No!
Come back,
Felipe,
Felipe.
come back! I thought you hit the. I'm sorry. Bro, I saw two. Oh my god! Oh my god! Where are you?
Grammy, go to the red light, green light. Don't die.
Guys, you want to see my toy? It's an action figure. Woo!
I'm gonna blow up. Oh, kaboom!
I'm trying to do something.
Ha!
Cool.
Allah! Walk! I better watch.
Let's beat a robot squad. Come on, guys.
I have an idea. All of us
In sewers.
should use it right here. We should throw it down.
Yes. See you guys in the other side. Ah!
I'm coming.
What up?
Let's go.
Okay, let's all become robot squads. Guys?
Gamer, don't jump. Gamer. Okay, so get on top of the pipe.
Wait, why am I XX?
Oh, he died. I think he died. Do you think I can make up this?
No! I'm gonna explode! Don't say anything. Don't go. Do not go in Discord. Do not listen. Do not go. Listen. Shut up, guys. Do not go on the. You know what?
Wait, look here. This is one of my ideas. I'm gonna turn into him, right?
Do what?
And when I'm under here, I could push him in there. So when he respawns, he's gonna be all the way down there. Get down there.
Push him down like this. Push him down like this. Oh, damn. Deep. I'm gonna check him out. I'm gonna check him out. No, we can't kill him.
Holy shit!
Where are you guys?
Right here.
Bro, I died.
Yeah, I threw a grenade at you.